Hey Curecoin project supporters and Folding Club members, let me show you what we've got here in our charity lab. Let's go. And here we've got our little office space with maybe a 10-year-old iMac. It's still able to fold and it's still able to track our Foldingcoin and Curecoin, manage the wallet. There's some brochures, printing equipment. Got a big screen for presentations. Here's the little server area. We got 2 racks. Not all systems are going because we're waiting on some more power, and that's why we're trying to fund this project. Here we're getting a little hot too, if you can tell. The monitor is actually set to notify at when it reaches over 80 degrees, and it's this little tiny USB sensor right here that does all the work. So that's a little bit of interesting technology that we've added recently. So we're folding away. Here's our 1080 Ti folding away on Linux. So we've got as far as equipment we have donated HP servers. They're mostly all quads. We have NVIDIA cards, we have AMD cards, we have Macs. We're running Windows 10, we're running Ubuntu Linux, and we've got some Dell monitors, Netgear switches, and we've got some more video cards coming. So that's it in terms of equipment that's running in this lab. Most of the power we're hoping to get from the community that hooks into us through the Folding Club. This is merely the core. You guys are the ones that are going to produce all the calculations and make the donations. Organizations like Dragon Master and Stanford and Antric UK. So you guys are really in charge of making this project work. So help us out. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you next time. Bye.